Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. It's Tuesday, thunderous Tuesday, and hopefully for some of you, Taco Tuesday. I got home a little bit ago from the 93Q studio where I did an interview with John Black. It was fun. It's been many, many years since I've been to the studio. Actually, they moved upstairs a floor in a whole new studio. But basic setup, yeah. John Black is a member of the group. I've known John. Actually, we got talking a little bit before the interview. And actually, I've known John for many years. It's just our lives kind of just basically drifted apart. I remember him from her earlier radio days at KUBA. So, I did some things yesterday. I'll get to the food in a minute. But there's still food related. A couple things. Let me show you. Ground up, or pumice, or whatever you want to say, my garlic. And I finally re-seasoned this cast iron skillet. Now the skillet was about a 6-hour process because I seasoned it 4 times, put it in the oven at 500 degrees for an hour, let it cool for 30 minutes. I did that 4 times. All based on that video I shared from that wonderful chef. So I look forward to it. By the way, the interview, if you haven't watched it yet, is in the group. I was able to share it. Please watch. Enjoy. All right. Last night, I prepared one of my favorite meals. My Worcestershire beef tips. Robin hates this because I always make it when she's gone. Now, I did add a couple things to last night's dish. I had some baby spinach that I needed to use up, so I used a good handful or two of baby spinach, and I added smoked paprika to the herb and spices. It was very good, and I still have leftovers. I didn't eat it all. So that's going to be my dinner tonight, is leftovers from last night. Today, I'm actually going to do the pea salad. I didn't do it yesterday because I was busy with, you saw what I did. Pea salad today. And pan for the bacon. I might switch over to the cast iron and try it out. So we had the 2 bags of peas. There's the bacon, sharp cheddar cheese, red onion. Yes, there's Miracle Whip in it, and mayonnaise. Basically, it's like a 3-to-1 ratio with the mayonnaise and the Miracle Whip. I'll be killing off the Dukes. I have Best Foods in the pantry. There's salt and pepper, and I'm going to be using some dried Mexican oregano. So that's what's on the menu today. With my dinner, because once this gets all mixed up, this pea salad, it's gotta marry. It's gotta sit. It's gotta come together for 2, 3, 4 hours. I'm gonna have some of that with dinner tonight. So that's what I've got going on in the Casual Chef's Kitchen. How's you gonna do Taco Tuesday or Thunderous Tuesday? Yes. On this day, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking. Phenomena. Phenomena.